Imagine accessing unlimited power and storage from anywhere in the world without owning a single machine. Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. Everyone's talking about the cloud, but what is it really? Let's break it down in the simplest way possible. Cloud computing is how we use the internet to tap into powerful computer systems without needing to own them ourselves. First, you get what you need: processing, storage, network, whenever you need it, just like magic. No human needed. Second, it works from anywhere. If you have internet, you have access. Cloud providers buy resources in bulk, share them out, and pass the saving on to you. Or need more, take more. Need less, scale back. The cloud stretched to fit. And finally, you only pay for what you use. If you don't use it, you don't pay. Google believes that in the future, every company, regardless of size or industry, will differentiate itself from its competitors through technology, and increasingly, that technology will be in the form of the software. Great software is based on a high quality data. This means that every company is or will eventually become a data company. The cloud isn't just a tech trend, it's the invisible engine behind the future of business, creativity, and innovation. Now that you know what it is, if you want to learn more, subscribe to my channel. Until next time, keep coding.